How often should you replace your home's air filter? You should replace your air filter every 1 to 3 months, depending on the type of filter you use and how much your heating and cooling system runs. Think of your air filter like a screen door for your whole house. Every time your heating and cooling system turns on, air gets pulled through that filter before it moves through your vents and into your rooms. If the filter gets clogged with dust, pet hair, and dirt, your system has to work much harder to push air through, kind of like trying to breathe through a thick blanket. That extra strain can wear out your system faster and cause your energy bills to creep up every single month. Something a lot of people do not realize is that a dirty filter does not just hurt your system, it also lowers the air quality inside your home, which can make allergies and breathing problems worse for anyone living there. A neat trick that not many people know is to write the date you installed the filter directly on the frame with a marker so you always know exactly when it is time to swap it out instead of guessing. Filters usually come with a rating number printed on the box that tells you how well it traps small particles, and a higher number generally means better filtering, but it can also mean less airflow if your system was not built for it. Checking your filter once a month, even if you do not replace it every time, is the easiest habit you can build to protect your whole system. One mistake people make all the time is assuming every filter lasts exactly 90 days no matter what. But if you have pets, allergies, or run your system constantly, you might need to change it every 30 days instead. Another common misconception is thinking a more expensive or higher rated filter is always better, when really too high of a rating can restrict airflow and strain your system if it was not designed for it, so it is smart to check your system's manual before upgrading. A lot of homeowners also forget to check the filter after big projects like renovations or heavy dust in the house, and those situations call for checking it right away instead of waiting for the usual schedule. If you need help with a project like this, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.